Hey, this Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber.
Oh, no. Hey, all. Good morning. This is a different space, as you can see. I'm trying to film content in PhotoView Studios. I'll leave her handle on the screen. She's the one that takes my amazing photographs. She's so good. If you're in Port Harcourt, you should know PhotoView. But if you're visiting Port Harcourt, please try her out. Her pictures are second to none. I'm using her studio today because I want to film content for a brand called TapTap. Right, hold on, I'm trying to give you all a 360 of the space. This is one of the filming spaces. She has a couple of them in the same building. It looks so good, so warm, and she's also into interior design. So if that's something you're looking to do, you can hit her up. She's amazing. I'm not saying it because I know her or she's someone I'm cordial with. She's truly amazing. Sarah is one of the best people I've met in a very long time. So yeah, I'm just trying to set up, and I'll go upstairs, change, then come to film. Another thing, she gifted me this space for 1 hour. Yo, they pay for this thing, but Sarah told me I should use it for free. We need to thank her in the comment section. She's also a YouTuber, so I'll leave all her details on the screen as well as in the description box.
And it went like...
I have my work bag here. Whenever you see this work bag, you know that things are about to get serious. And for this ad, I'm going to be using my big boy camera, the Sony A7 IV with my Sigma lens. Just want to set up. Her staff already brought a softbox for me. I couldn't bring my lights in here because they need to take up a lot of space. You all know I have my own studio, but I wasn't feeling my studio. I beg. With the fact that my lights died, that my Chantel Anyanwu light won't. These days, I don't just feel inspired filming there. Well, I mean, I have to go back there at some point. Yeah, I'm going to be filming in portrait mode, so I'll definitely tilt my camera. And that light comes on, right? Yeah. So to give like a good bokeh effects. My mic. This is the DJI mic. This is the first one that came out. Now they have the very tiny ones that you can barely see, but I like this one. This one was the first DJI mic I got before I got this Pocket 3, and it came with a mic of its own. I always use this one with the big camera. Thank you so much. Yeah. Let me just... No. I think I even want the light to be a bit backwards. I'll move my chair forward so that it blurs it out. Yeah. Even be like this, so it's not just on top of my head. Yeah, let me go upstairs and change. Right back.
Hey. This Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what got a crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. Yeah, it's your homegirl Chantel. really like your style. Outfits, yeah, they always on fleek, but you
I look so serious. Serious gal.
Yeah, living the dreams, amazing. And don't care what they think. For the ones that she loves, she go hard in the paint. Up in the ring, and she styling. She always gonna ride, and you know that we vibing. Come join, yeah, I hope you subscribed in. No videos weekly, she vlog for her peoples whenever she go to the islands. Self development shown in the content. Yeah, she helping you live or be conscious. Whoa, this is Chantel, but you already know. This Chantel, I what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. This Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta crew. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do it. 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 Let's do it.
Yeah, this is what I'm looking like. The brand color is this green, so I just wanted to match with it, so to speak. Wearing this shirt from ASOS. It's now big on me. My pants from ASOS as well. Oh yeah, and it's oversized too, but I'll make it work. For footwear, even though that's not going to show in the video, but I wanted to film some sort of an OOTD video. I'll use this, my Jimmy Choo pumps. This one goes with the shirt. Yeah, who matches the chair? So yeah, that's OOTD. You just go downstairs now and start filming. I like how I packed my hair. Letting it down did not work at all. This is way better. Let's go downstairs. Yo, I'm done filming the ad. Don't say I didn't warn you. Before you land Naija for Dirty December, here are 3 things you need to know. Coming straight from a local. People in diaspora, front row please. Number 1, adjust your accent. Drop that your accent at baggage claim. This is Naija, not the US, Canada, or the UK. Locals hear that twang and automatically assume that you are loaded. Next thing you'll hear is, Oyibo don't land though, bottled water is 10,000 naira. The key is balance. Sprinkle your accent in moderation, or better still, always move around with a trusted local. Number 2, don't come looking for love. No love, no love, no love. Can I be honest with you? Dirty December is for vibes, not vows. Keep your heart on airplane mode until January or even later. 90% of people are in vacation and vibes mode, not commitments. My advice, fall in line for concerts, food, and overall enjoyment. For love, you can try again early next year. Now my golden point, number 3. Cash is king. Because once you land Naija for Dirty December, cash isn't just currency. It is survival. Forget using your foreign card because vendors may or may not be boycotting that mode of payment. If you know, you know. Changing foreign currency on site is not advisable as well, as that can be unpredictable and stressful. Imagine going through all that stress under this Naija heat when all you needed for peace of mind was tap tap send. In fact, tap tap send should be a pinned widget on your phone before that flight lands Naija, because the moment you touch down, you'll need it to pay for your cab, your accommodation, ashwebi, beauty appointments, even that juicy suya you have been dreaming about. Basically anything you need to pay for in Nigeria should be done with tap tap send. Land ready, not stranded. It is very fast, has a friendly user interface, and you get great rates. No need to borrow cards or queue at banks. Just get your money from the US, the UK, and Canada with tap tap send and pay like a local. Download tap tap send from the iOS and Android app stores. Use my code to get $20 bonus when you spend $50 and above on your first transfer. Your December can't be dirty if your tap tap send never ready. So tap into Naija and move like a true local. With the aforementioned tips, you are sure of enjoying Dirty December the smart way. Stress-free, cash ready, and coded like a true local. I just want to quickly film a long form video for YouTube, and yeah, with the time constraint I'm working with, I can't be vlogging and filming as well. So, but I just like to give you all an update and continue what I'm doing. So I'll see you all later. I'm almost done. Bye. I'm in Sarah's furniture house called Madera Furniture. It's so cozy. Let me show you people. The ready to go sitting room. All these things are made to order. So if you want anything customized, she can do it. CEO. Let us see your face now, Sarah. She's not finished. She has a cold. But this face is so nice. Really nice. The gray. Oh, look at these bulbs. And this one's for sale too. It's just your... Okay.
Maybe the furniture piece.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So my dad makes that food.
Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, that's amazing. These things, they don't even look, they are giving IKEA. It doesn't even look Ninja at all. I like this color combo. Nice. Very nice. Oh, okay. Let's see. Right. Oh, your dad made this artwork as well.
This one's I just sent him pictures today for me.
Oh, wow.
He's like, I beg, this is not his thing. Because the way he creates is different. But me, I just wanted something.
Oh, okay.
Temporary in line with my work.
Wow, see more artworks. Oh, wow.
The office is all over the place.
Okay. Good. It looks so nice. You will have good NEPA light here. Or is solar? Okay.
So I just left today that.
Oh, okay, because I was wondering, I said the ACs are on everywhere with this PHED tariff.
I think they just told it.
Oh, okay. Okay, you are coming here. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, this artwork is so beautiful. My cousin in Lagos says she's obsessed with artwork. I will tell her. Nice. Oh, see this room. Blue. What's your inspiration, Sarah, when it comes to these things? They are so cute. I'm wondering what inspired you. How do you get that to that point and say, okay, I want to create this type of chair, this color, this one? Do you use Pinterest?
I use Pinterest.
Okay.
Inspired by so many things.
Okay.
It's like an interview.
No, I'm just picking your brain. Is that an interview? I'm just picking your brain.
I use Pinterest. I can just see something and then I'm just like, okay, you can do this, you can do something like this.
Okay.
And then, of course, the kind of pieces that I've always loved for myself, the kind of pieces that I want
You create, okay.
to.
Yeah, it's giving your vibe, Sha. It's very warm, very minimalist.
Yes, exactly. I'm very minimalist.
Oh, nice. Oh, I love this brown. So nice. Okay. Oh, these ones can be even mixed and matched too, if you want. Yeah. Oh, nice. So cute. Yeah, I'll leave the handle on the screen for everyone looking to redo their space. She even likes bigger. You know how someone wants to redo, or you're building a hotel, a real estate company. Those are the ones we like, those big deals. So hit her off.
To show you what we can do.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Kitchen cabinetry.
Okay, that's cool. That's nice.
Doors.
Doors, okay.
Doors.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's really nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for giving me your space to use. I already told them, so they will thank you in the comments. Sorry.
Chantel, Anyanwu, do what she gotta do. Always what gotta prove. Nothing's impossible. Your favorite Nigerian YouTuber. She holding down the spot, can't move her. And you know she get deep like scuba. Fashion, lifestyle, let's do